Welcome. If numbers could talk, they'd love linear regression because it helps us predict the future. Today, we'll explore how Power BI makes regression easy and practical. Whether it's forecasting sales or identifying trends, this tool has got your back. Buckle up because we're about to dive into the world of predictive analytics, step by step. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Think of linear regression as the crystal ball of statistics. It helps us find connections between different data points, like sales and marketing spend. Businesses use it all the time to plan their next big moves. And don't worry, there's no magic involved, just pure mathematical logic. Power BI isn't just about pretty charts, it's about making smart decisions. Linear regression lets us peek into future trends with confidence. Whether you're predicting next quarter's sales or analyzing customer behavior, Power BI is like your personal data detective. If DAX functions were superheroes, LINEST would be the one predicting the villain's next move. It helps us calculate regression coefficients and analyze trends. Don't worry, I'll guide you through it. It's easier than it sounds. You wouldn't start cooking without ingredients, right? Well, loading data into Power BI is just like that, getting the raw materials ready. Make sure your data is structured and clean, or your analysis might look like a messy kitchen. Scatter plots are like detective maps, each dot tells a story. By plotting the data, we can instantly spot trends and relationships. And yes, using colors makes everything better. No one likes a dull chart. Time for some mathematical magic. DAX and LINEST team up to give us valuable regression coefficients. It's like decoding a secret message. Once we get the numbers, they unlock incredible insights. Think of the regression equation as a recipe. It tells us how to mix variables and predict trends. Once implemented in Power BI, it's like turning data into a crystal ball for business insights. A trend line is like a guide. It helps us see the direction of the data. Once added, our scatter plot transforms from scattered dots to a clear trend. It's like giving your data a GPS to the future. What if you could predict the future? Well, with what if parameters in Power BI, you almost can. Adjusting inputs gives us valuable insights into different scenarios, helping businesses plan smarter. All right, forecasting with regression. It's like predicting the future, but with math instead of a crystal ball. We look at past data trends, apply the regression model, and see how it predicts upcoming values. Of course, we don't trust it blindly. We verify by testing its accuracy. If it's off, we tweak and refine it because no one likes a forecast that's as unreliable as a weather report. Validation is like double-checking your answers before submitting a test. We split data, run statistical checks, and ensure the model isn't just making educated guesses. Cross-validation ensures it holds up under different scenarios, and if it's misbehaving, we adjust settings. Think of it like fixing a recipe, too much spice. Dial it down. Coefficients are like the ingredients in a recipe. Each one affects the final dish. The independent variables tell us how much they contribute, while p-values decide if they deserve to stay in the dish. If coefficients are large, they make a big impact, kind of like adding chili to a mild curry. We'll use examples so it's crystal clear. Handling multiple variables is like balancing a group project. If too many people talk, chaos ensues. Multicollinearity can mess up our results, so we use techniques like ridge and lasso regression to keep things in check. We also handpick variables to avoid unnecessary clutter. The result: a well-behaved model, not a noisy classroom. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.